Hello, this is Akira Doi. This is the assignment for this is video for the assignment for router configuration. I'll skip first step because this is just check the GNS3. Yeah. So building a network in GNS3 like this. First, prepare the router. R1. About R1, open the configure. Start change to the NM40. Then this gives us to enable forward the 4 serial port. Then okay. Then start. After start, open the console. After open the console, I need to wait a few seconds. I need to wait. First, tap the enable. Then config terminal. Then non-config mode. So change the interface. CL0. In the PDF say CL1, but from this picture, I said I need to set up about the serial 0. So I use serial 0. Then tap the no shutdown. IP address set as this. Then Control C. Then show running to check the status. By tapping enter, I can go next. Yeah, I can confirm serial 0 is updated. Next, I need to update the first Ethernet. So now open again about the config terminal. Now change the first Ethernet 0. The set at 1 0 1 2 5 5 2 5 5 2 5 0. So yeah, this is first Ethernet. Then proceed show. Yeah, I can check first Ethernet 0 and first serial 0 is updated. Now go next. See if there's something change. Yeah, now I can set up the about the R1. So next about the R2, I need to bring one more router. Before start, I need to check the configure about slot 1, NM40. Okay, then start, open the console. This is about the R2 console. I need to set up about this. Do the same thing with the R1. So from here, yeah, enable. Now config mode. Now first change the the interface CECS0. Shut down. Shut down. Then set to the IP address. Address. Now then no shut down. Then Control C. Return to the normal mode. Yeah, I can update this serial 0 for the arts. Then saving. Is typing. Yeah, I can save it. Now open again config terminal. Config. Shut down. Down. Before the no shutdown. Okay. 0, 0. Then shut. For the FA, I need to set 2, 1, 255, 255, 255, and 0. IP address 192, 168, 1, 2, and 1. Okay. Then Control C. They show running to check my update. Yeah, this is about R2. So about serial 2. Yeah, same thing for the first Ethernet. 192.168.1.0.2.1.2.5.4. Yeah, same thing. I can update it. Yeah, now I can set up about the R1 and R2, so minimize and connection by using this Ethernet. For this one, serial 0, I updated serial 0, so use the serial 0 and serial 0. Yeah. Then at the PPCS, it means PC, I prepare to PC E0 mean the Ethernet, so connect with this up here Ethernet 0 and first Ethernet 0 to connect. Same thing, Ethernet 0, Ethernet 0. Start everything. Like I can update something by using this. I can check the F0, E0, F0, E0. This is same with this. Now try to do some program with this. About this, I can show you my result here. I already physical connected, so I need to open R1. This is for the R1 console. From here, I try to connection in success rate is 0%, it means the no success. Next, I try to check the next one. This one. So the first one is the folder 1, 2, 1. It means the R2 first Ethernet. So no. Next one is 100.2. It means the R2 serial of the R2. So try. This is success rate is 100%, so I can say success. Do the same thing next one. This is the for the 101, it means the first Ethernet of the R1. Same thing, success. So result is no, yes, yes. Do the similar thing on the R2. Try first one. This is about the R1 first, isn't it? No success. Next, try to for the serial for of the R1. This is success. Next about the R2 first, isn't it? This is success too. It means no, yes, yes is the result. Also, dismissing it the here, dismissing it the here. It means if directly connected about R1, this connection will be the success, but this is not success because this one is direct connected, but this is not direct connected. That's why no, yes, yes is a result. Also, about also I can say same thing with the yeah. This is discuss about the why success or not. Now try to check show IP root for the boss. Now I can see the connected directory connected part. It means we don't set any routing information for the R1 yet. Also do the same thing for the R2. Same thing, we just can see the C mean the connected, directly connected information. We don't have any routing information for this. Now show interface. Now it is about R1. Show interface. I can see some port information. First Ethernet is up. CR0 is up. But I down. Yeah, because I didn't set up and I didn't use this other port. So just up in the fast Ethernet 00, also Ethernet fast Ethernet and serial 00 is up. Other thing is everything down. Do the same thing for the R2. The same thing. Just I did just set up about the first Ethernet 00 and the serial 00. So CA00 and the first Ethernet is up, but other thing, everything down. Yeah. Now I try to use the command about the ping from PC1 to PC2. First, I need to set up IP address for each PC. So set First, I need to set up about the IP address. So set up. Now IP address is 192.168.1.0.1.2. This is IP address for the PC1. Open the about PC2. Do the similar thing. Yeah, now I can set up about the IP address. Now try that is send some packet from PC1 to PC2, not legible. So I cannot send yet because I didn't set up about the IP loot information. So now I set up about the IP loot. This is R1 console. On the configure, set the IP loot. I set up about the IP loot under R2, R1. Then I need to set up R2 for the send something. Yeah, I can set up another IP route. So try again, same thing. Ping 192.160.1022 for the PC2. Yeah, I can confirm I can send some package to the PC2. Now expand the network and check the connection from here to the expand. There is some connection first, then prepare the switch. Here, Ethernet switch. Each node should have at least 3 nodes. It means that I need 3 PC for each switch. Then try to connection. Up here, use ISO 0, comfort 0, ISO 0, ISO 1, ISO 0, ISO 2, ISO 0, ISO 3, ISO 0. These are expand of the each PC. Start everything. Expand all. Then I can expand by using the switch. Also, I can check the connection by checking a topology summary. Like, for example, switch 1 connected with PC1 by the E0 and E1 to the R1 Ethernet 0 and first Ethernet, hmm? Yeah, serial 0 to the first Ethernet 0. I can check the topology by checking here. Also, each Ethernet have 3 nodes. So for 3 nodes, I can calculation. Some net mask will be the 29 thresh. So it should be like this from the based on number of the PC. Yeah. So the result will be something like this. Yeah, I can check topology summary from here. Yeah, this is all about my assignment 4. Thank you for watching.